Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure I go down and hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like on the channel just to help your boy grow. And yeah, I know I've been gone for a minute, but your boy is back. I just dropped 2 videos on the channel, an unboxing and a review on the clothing brand that reached out to me. So make sure y'all go check that out on the Jordan 6s and everything. So before we get into the video, I just want to give you guys a little message. You guys could skip this, of course. It relates to mental health and what people go through every day. I just want to put this out there because a handful of my friends have gone through suicidal thoughts in the past year or two. I know a lot went on in the world in the past year and a half, 2 years. So yeah, you guys can skip forward a minute. It's gonna be a quick little minute, but if you guys want to stay. I feel like this message will help. I definitely want to put it out there for as many people view it. You know, it could be 50 people, it could be 100 people, it could be 3,000 people. You know what I'm saying? As long as this message hits you and it affects somebody in the right way, I feel like I'm doing the right thing. And it just sucks seeing that because I know a lot of people fight mental health issues differently. Like personally, I go through that as well. I've been battling addiction for like the past couple months, so I haven't been the best version of me. My addiction has to do with like sports gambling because FanDuel became legal in New York, so your boy's just been like going a little crazy gambling. But I'm fighting that. I said to myself that this is it going forward. I'm just gonna, you know, do a little bit of it for fun. I can't be taking this serious like 24/7. That's just not good on my mental health, and it's not good on me personally. So yeah, your boy does do accounting and stuff like that, so it was busy. I just wasn't productive in my other aspects of life. Watched a couple videos. They were speaking on the chemical dopamine that's in your brain, and once you do activities like that, it produces a lot of that, so you're just always seeking that high. You know what I'm saying? You're not trying to do anything else that's actually productive for your life because it doesn't give you that same amount of dopamine that whatever your addiction goes through. So yeah, if you guys are fighting any addictions or having any mental health issues such as depression or anything like that, because we all go through it, you know what I'm saying? Everybody fights it differently, but please just reach out to somebody, speak to somebody. It could be a friend, it could be family, and I just hope nobody has to go through any attempts of like suicide or anything like that. So yeah, there's too much to live for to just, you know, end it all. You know what I'm saying? That's just my message to you guys. But let's get back into the video, man. So today we have the Jordan 4 Black Militaries. When I first seen images of this sneaker, I actually really liked it. I was like, yo, it's just a good Jordan 4. You know what I'm saying? This might be the best release that's coming out this year in terms of like Jordan brand. I don't know if they're coming out any like OG retros, but this is definitely the best Jordan that has came out so far since, you know, the beginning of the year, in my opinion, man. And I was definitely thinking of keeping a pair for myself, and your boy did alright, man. I don't know if you guys can see the pairs over there. Picked up like a good amount of pairs right there, and yeah, it was cool. Today was leftovers day at like Foot Locker and other stores, so I was able to secure a couple more pairs. And then after this video, I'm about to go sell them. So yeah, let's just hop into review, man. So first things first, the box. They did a little bit different with the box. Usually the Jordan 4 box is the one that you lift open. They did do that for the GS, so I'm gonna grab the GS and show you guys. God damn. So yeah, the GS comes with the regular OG Jordan 4 box, but yeah, with this one they did the speckles all over. It's kind of like black with the white or gray speckles, and then it has Flight on top with the Jordan Jumpman right there. So yeah, on the sizing label and the color code label, the description of the shoe is Air Jordan 4 Retro. The color code is black, white, and neutral gray. This is a size 9, as you guys can see, so you guys will get an on-foot review on these. They don't come with the retail sticker for some reason, but retail on these was $210. In New York, you add tax, that's like $227 now for a pair of Jordans, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, $227 retail on these in New York with tax, $210 without tax. Doesn't come with the label. So yeah, there you guys have that. And now let's get into the unboxing, man. So flipping the shoe open, here you guys have it. On the inside, it still comes with the cement print paper, as you guys can see right there. And flipping that down, boom, here you have the sneaker. Ooh, let me know how y'all feel about these down below in the comments, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about them down below in the comments. First impression of these, like the more I saw them in person when I was buying them, the less I like them. But seeing them a day after, I actually still like this shoe a lot. So I'm gonna cut to a quick little B-roll so you guys can have a detailed look at the sneaker, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys the full breakdown of the sneaker, man. So yeah, let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys got a good look at all the details, as you guys could see. So jumping into the colorway breakdown, it's the military black. So it's basically the military blue 4s, but replacing the blue with black. So on the upper, it's mainly white, as you guys could see, all around the upper of the shoe. And then the tongue is also in white, has the white jointed Jumpman on the back, and white on the midsole, and white for the front part of the outsole. If it can focus, there you guys can see that. And then white Jumpman as well. Laces are also in white, and the netting is in white. Then you have black on the Jordan Jumpman on the tongue, black on the inside mesh of the netting, and black on the inside mesh netting of the tongue. Black on the inside of the tongue with Air Jordan upside down. That's just on all Jordan 4s. And then the back tab is in black, also with black on the midsole and black on the bottom of the sneakers right there, those two panels. Now finishing off, it has the neutral gray. So in the front, around the toe is that neutral gray, and also you have neutral gray on the wing tabs on the side for the laces. And then you have flight in neutral gray, and then the back part of the outsole is in neutral gray as well. So yeah, that pretty much breaks down the colorway. I do have to say black also on the eyelets right here. I forgot to mention that. That's the colorway breakdown. Let's talk about the materials that were used. They used a pretty nice leather on top. It's kind of like tumble, but it's not like buttery soft leather. So it's just all right leather, I would say. It has the you know, the tumble material look, but it's not really that soft. Still all right leather. I wouldn't say like, it's not like the plastic leather that came in 2012, but yeah, leather on top. Then this is like a nubuck material for the neutral gray around the toe area, and then rubber on the outsole. Then they have like this, I don't even know if this like Phylon midsole right here, boom. And then plastic on the tabs, on the back tab, and wings tab, and black on the lace. What do you call them? I don't even know what you call them, like the eyelets or whatever you want to call them. And then the inside of the tongue comes with this like, this kind of like satin material. I don't know what it is. New Jordans been coming with this. The old ones, they were just like kind of like more like suede. This one's more weaved together. I don't know what type of material it is, but if you guys have the newer Jordans, you guys will know. With materials out the way, let's cover sizing. Sizing on Jordan 4s, I do recommend just going true to size on these. These are a 9, I'm a 9. I also fit 8.5. My true size is like an 8.5, 9, but I get 9 in most of my sneakers. So if you're a 9, just grab that 9, man. Y'all don't have to be cute, but if 9's not available, y'all can go down half a size. You still be fine on Jordan 4s, in my opinion. So yeah, go true to size on Jordan 4s, man. And with sizing, I always cover comfort. Jordan 4s aren't the most comfortable sneakers. It's very bulky. It's like a block. So it's just bulky, and there's no crazy like technology in the shoe to make it extra comfortable. So I would just say like 6 out of 10, just because like it's bulky. It's not gonna really hurt your foot, but it's not doing your foot any justice either. So yeah, 6 out of 10 for comfort. And with that being said, I'm gonna cut to a little on feet to give you guys an on foot look on these. I think styling on these is really good. I'm just gonna throw them on with a pair of shorts because it's 95 degrees out today in New York, and I'm hot as hell. Like, I'm sweating like crazy right now, if y'all can't tell. And yeah, I'm just gonna give y'all a quick on feet look on these, especially as white. You could throw them on in the summer with shorts, or in the, you know, fall time, you could throw them on with like some black pants. These will look great. They'll probably even look good with like some light blue jeans or gray jeans. could do a lot with this sneaker, man. But yeah, I'm gonna throw them on shorts. So let's cut to the on feet. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, hope you guys got a good little look on how they look on feet. And I'm gonna wrap things up with my resale predictions and my final opinion, man. So as for resale on these right now, they're actually doing pretty well. Retail, I said, was $210 plus tax. In New York is $227. They're selling men's sizes right now for around $320. A lot of people think they're gonna drop. I don't know. Jordan 4s are the hottest like Jordan models out right now, and I said that like 2 years ago, but nobody was paying me no mind. They're probably the hottest Jordan model out right now, so I do see these hovering around like low 300s until, you know, it pops up to like 400. In my opinion, I would say kind of like the fire red 4s. Those are the supply numbers are kind of similar, so yeah, there was a lot of pair of these, and they probably will drop a little bit to like the high 200s, like 290ish. And then I think they will just jump up to like 350 and above. That's just my opinion, so I do recommend copping these for resale, man. Now to wrap things up with my final opinions, like I said, the more I looked at them, the less I liked them yesterday. But today, looking at them and putting them on feet, I like them a little bit more. So I'm gonna be adding these to my collection. Talking about my collection, next week after I get a haircut, I'm gonna be dropping my collection video. So these will be in the collection video. But yeah, it's your boy ALin. Y'all let me know down below in the comments, did y'all cop? Were y'all able to secure pairs? And are you guys keeping a pair? And like I said, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. Your boy's back and we out.